all. In this video, we are going to learn about the ferrous and non-ferrous material. The title which we are going to learn specifically is Malleable Iron, SG iron. So this unit and this topic belongs to the subject engineering materials. So in the previous title, we have discussed about the gray cast iron. So it is mainly used for machine tool beds. It is widely used in engineering blocks and cylinder heads, specifically in automobile industry. It is also used for pipes and fitting the pipes. So when the manhole covers or gratings are to be used or to be employed, so these types of gray cast iron can be used to uh, to withhold the high pressure, because these types of gray cast iron, they will be having high compressive strength. This gray cast iron would also be used in brake drums, in automobiles, specifically in brake disc also, and this would be applied in pump housing, valve bodies, and also in gear housing. So these are the specific examples of gray cast iron. So this is used in lathe beds, bases, and frames in machine tools. This is also suitable for flywheels and pulleys. So these are the main examples where the gray cast iron will be used. This was the previous title, and our title is all about malleable iron, SG iron, and the steel. So these are very important ferrous materials. Ferrous materials are mainly iron based. They will be having magnetic power with it. There are several types of ferrous materials. Each ferrous material will be having different composition or different proportion of carbon in it. So the first example here is malleable iron. This would be made ductile. So this iron is made ductile by by means of heat treatment of white cast iron. That is, when a white cast iron is heated to the maximum or to some extent, we will be getting another material. That material is called as a malleable iron. So the next iron is the SG iron. This is also a cast iron where graphites exist in the spherical nodules, nodules, small pieces. So this is also a steel. Steel, if we specifically see, steel is an alloy. What is an alloy? Alloy is a combination of two materials. When two materials are combined together to get a new product, new material, so definitely the positive of both the materials will be combined together and another new material will be formed. That type of material is called as an alloy. So what we are telling here is steel is an alloy and it is having the carbon content below 2%. So every iron will be having variations of carbon content in it. These materials are classified based on the carbon form, the structure, and the properties. So that is how we are classifying the components or the materials. So first type is the ferrous material. Ferrous materials are mainly very important while doing the research, and it is very important for mechanical industries and also manufacturing industries. Wherever we use, whether we are developing a automobile vehicle or the car part, iron are very important, steels are very important. So that is why we say it as ferrous materials are important for manufacturing field. So specifically, this malleable iron is having brittle structure. It is having a high strength. It is having a wide property range. It is ductile. These are the main highlights. So why do we need all these components? Because they are used in construction process, they are used in automobile process, they are used in machinery process. They are mainly used for safety, reliability, and durability purpose. So this reduces the failure, maintenance, and the production cost. So here we have the block diagram of the malleable iron and the steel iron. So here we have a coke plant, sinter plant. All these have some types of inputs like coal, fuel, gas, grease, ore. All these are processed inside, and finally, after furnacing process, after heating process, we have the final output called a iron. So that is how we are developing the iron. Here we have the mind map of malleable iron and SG iron and the steam. So these are the main industrial applications where we are using the malleable iron. These are specifically used in the manufacturing process of automobiles, specifically the two-wheelers, cars, and the aerospace industries, aviation sector, while developing the components in the power generation, energy generation systems, in the electrical system, electronic systems. These are the main applications, industrial applications of the malleable iron and the HG iron. I hope you would have learned from the video. See you in the next one. Until then, it's bye bye from Radhika.